What's up, Drone Squad? We're back at it again with a new tips and tricks video. This time, we're showing you how to manually start and stop the motors on your DJI drone. Let's get started. I'm sure most of us are used to pressing that takeoff button on the screen, and you would never think there's another way of doing this, but I'm willing to bet after watching this video, you won't be pressing that button any longer. So here's the secret. When you're connected to your drone and you're ready to fly, instead of sliding to take off, take both thumbsticks, point them downwards and in towards one another at the same time. When you've done this step correctly, your remote will vibrate and the motors will begin to spool up. The drone will not hover or take off. This only gives the motors power and nothing more. From here, you want to bring the drone up to your desired height using the left thumbstick, also known as your throttle stick, and pushing upwards in a smooth, controlled motion. Now you're off and flying like the pros. Now to land the drone, you're going to bring your aircraft down to about 3 feet. You'll need to hold the left thumbstick down until the motors have stopped spinning, and that's it. The drone will slowly land and it'll kill the power to the motors. All right, so if you guys have any questions regarding this process or any drone questions in general, drop them in the comment sections down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe if you're new here to our channel. If you want to be notified about any new videos, be sure to hit that bell icon so you'll be the first to know. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay safe, have fun, and keep the props in the air.